Hello guys and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to make a greeting card on Evite. So the first thing you have to do is go to your Evite account. It should appear this way. So on the Evite dashboard you would see a whole lot of sections you can choose from. Since we want to create the greeting cards, just go to the greeting card section next to the sign up sheet and click on it, and you would see a bunch of templates to choose from, and then we can go ahead to click on any type of greeting card you want. We have the seasonal cards and the everyday cards. We can choose any. I don't know which one okay, let me just choose a grad thank you card. So once I click on it, it should bring me to a page where I can actually select a template of choice and proceed to edit it to make it mine. Okay, good. So once it's here, we can see that it has this icon of e-card, which means it's a paid is a premium feature. And since it's an electronic card, we might need to pay for some details, especially if you are sending it along with a gift. Okay, so if we do not want this, we can always scroll back up here and filter. You can select, let's choose celebration cards. Let's see the details or the new templates. Oh, so it's bringing up the same thing. I guess we just go ahead to edit this. So just select a card of any card you love or the template that speaks to you, and let's assume we want to do this, a greeting card. You can just click on this. If you want to upload us, we can click on any of the other templates. Once we see the card we love or like, we can go ahead to start designing it. Okay, so since we're on this page, this is for the premium version. We can get a feel of all the premium features here. We can also flip the card to see what is written behind and flip it backwards. We can also upload a photo here. So let's upload a picture and see. Okay, let me upload this. Okay, let me just do this. So we can go ahead to upload the picture or photo we want in this particular um, section, and it will appear this. Then you can edit the photo to make it bigger or smaller, to shrink it or enlarge it depending on what we want. And once we are done, we click on done. Then we can select the envelope and liner to see how the envelope colors would appear. I like this golden, or let's just choose another color to see. Okay, this golden is for the, okay, this is the liner. So let's just choose something. Let me just choose black always good, black is really good. So for the liner, this golden aspect, you can choose any of the templates here or any of the designs, depending on the occasion. This is, so I will just leave it with the gold. Let me choose this. Let me see. This is also nice. This is very nice also. So okay, since she's graduating good, this would be the best. Yeah, it's plain, but I think it's okay. So after that, you can go to the stamp and sticker section, and then choose anyone here. I think it's because of my screen resolution where we can't get to see what is beneath, but you can just go ahead and click on any of these. Let me just choose this, and then once you are done, click on the background section to choose a solid, the type of background we want. So the stamp and sticker, you might not see, but it's somewhere here. So we can choose a dark background to make it, oh, this is for the this will not actually show. So we can go back to the stamp and sticker and select a dark one. So the basic idea of this is just to customize your card and make it as beautiful as possible. So this is saying e-gift cards are temporarily unavailable. You can still proceed with your greeting card. Good. Click on skip and continue. Now this is very good in to you can actually add the person you want to send it to here, so the person will just receive it as a message, and this is very nice for people that are not expecting something like this. So once you are done, you can also add your message. You can add your recipient's name, add your message, and continue like that. Okay, no, let me just do that. Let me just put in any number. 555555555. Good. And then let me just put this person to be back and add recipients next message, and then we'll see how it's going to appear. Wow, this is just lovely. So you can see, let's replay it. This is how it's going to go. So it's as if the envelope is opening and the message is actually popping up. So this is really nice. So you can add your message here and skip to checkout. Let's just do love you to the moon and back. Oh, I mean, so once we are done with this, click on next to review and send. This is the final phase, and then once this is once we are good to go, we can click on purchase and send. But you can see that we need to pay. This is $2 recipient, and then this is for a single greeting card. I mean, they've got to make their money so with some by in a way. So once you fill in your card details, you can go on to add it, purchase and send your greeting card. So if this video has been helpful to you guys in any way, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Also guys, please, I would love if you could subscribe to the video, and it really helps our channel to grow. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention is that you can also connect your PayPal account, and you can also, if you have a promotion code, you can impute it here to get it to reduce the amount you get to pay. Okay, and this is where you actually fill in the card details, and then after that you can proceed to order your greeting card. So this is how to create a greeting card on Evite. And the funny good thing about this is that you can also send it to as many people as you want, so it's a very good deal. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for listening.